Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'll show you how you can actually change your TikTok reason. So if you're stuck in the wrong TikTok reason and your feed is filled with content from a country you don't care about, don't worry, here's how you can do it. For that, first of all, open up your TikTok application in your mobile device. Once you open it up, go ahead and simply log in to your account. Once logged in, simply tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Inside here, simply tap on this three line icon and then simply tap on settings and privacy. Just like that, tap on account and then tap on account information. Then you'll be able to find an option that says account reason. Tap onto it, and just like that, you'll then be able to find a different reason. Choose the country you want to switch. But here's the catch: TikTok requires you to actually be in that country for at least 90 days for the changes to work. So if you're not physically there, this method won't help much. But let's try something that does work. For that, first of all, close the TikTok application and then open up your App Store, download and install a reliable VPN from here, and set your VPN to the country you want to switch your TikTok to. Once it's connected, go ahead and reopen your TikTok again, and then from here tap on your profile again. Inside here, tap on three dot icon, tap on settings and privacy, scroll below, tap on content preferences, and then tap on refresh your For You page. When it asks why, you can skip that part. After refreshing your content, go ahead and force close TikTok again and then reopen it. And now you'll start seeing content from your selected reason. You might still get a few posts at first, but just ignore them. And that's simply how you can change your reason in your TikTok app. So that is simply how you can do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.